about 2 or 3 miles in the rain. I'm drenched. I'm so soaked I had to roll my pants up. I finally made it. And right behind me is the Petronas Towers. Wow. Good morning, everybody. I just woke up. Starting off late today again. Like usual, it's about 1 o'clock right now. Planning to head to the city and then figure it out. So guys, I'm on the road now. Before I head to the city center, I'm gonna drop off some laundry. Very close to not having anything to wear. Everything's dirty. The shirt has actually been worn a few times, but no one knows that. Hopefully it's not too expensive. All right, laundry's taken care of. Now it's time to head to the train station and head to the city center. I had to wait till I was here in Malaysia to do laundry because in Singapore it would have cost like half my arm and probably a little bit of half my face. Right now I just paid $6 US to get my clothes washed. That's like all my clothes that I have. 0 clothes left. This is it. So if they lose it, I'm screwed. Here's my shirt. Here in the city center, it's very hot today. I'm melting. It's about maybe 88 degrees right now, but it's the humid heat. I'm gonna hold off on the Petronas Towers for a little bit. I'm actually gonna get some Indian food from a video. It inspired me to go here. It's a video by Mark Wiens. He ate here on this video I saw, and I had to go. It's like this banana leaf restaurant where it's all you can eat, I believe. I think it's vegetarian too, but who cares? It was good. It looked good the way he was eating it. So thank you, migrationology.com. I think I'm about a mile away, not too far, 1.5 km. Almost there. I think I'm walking for about 15 minutes now. Drenched. This isn't much of a sidewalk anymore. Stuck in the center. Gee. Almost there. The presence of curry is strong here. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Vishalatchi's authentic Chettinad cuisine. I'm so confused. Oh, that's that. That was really good. Absolutely delicious. I wish I could eat more, but I'm gonna save space for more of the tasty nom noms in the area. So now we're off to the Petronas Towers now. I gotta walk all the way over there. It's a good maybe an hour walk. Just crossing the street, another normal day. Well, I almost got her over there. You can do it. Getting closer, just over the horizon there. Been walking for about maybe 30 minutes now. Walking feels a lot longer when it's so hot. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm like sweating my ass off right now. Oh no, it looks like it's gonna rain. That rain came out of nowhere. Oh man, maybe I need to find some place to like take a break. I need to find shelter real fast. This umbrella is not doing its job. Ah! Ah! Ah, I'm in a monsoon! My feet are soaked! Where's the Petronas Towers? All I want to see is the Petronas Towers! Stop! It's raining! Found a little bus stop here with some shelter. And it's pouring right now. The rain doesn't joke here, man. It's no joke. been walking for about 2 or 3 miles in the rain. I'm drenched. I'm so soaked. I had to roll my pants up. I finally made it. And right behind me is Petronas Towers. Wow. Behind the building is a nice little park. It's freaking beautiful here. Damn. Fancy meeting you here. Alright, that's enough of that. Well, it's been nice, Petronas Towers. I'll see you later. What's up, guys? I'm back at the hotel now. Can't tell, I got a little fade because my hair was getting a little too long. Now I'm back to being sexy, or almost sexy. About 9 p.m. right now. I think it's time to unwind and pack my clothes because I'm checking out tomorrow. Tomorrow is my last day here in Kuala Lumpur. Tomorrow I will be going to the airport. Before I go to the airport, because my flight's at 11:59 p.m. so I have basically the whole day. I have basically the whole day to hang around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave my bags here at the hotel, and then I'm gonna head out to Batu Caves. Yeah, we'll head out to the Batu Caves, hang around the caves for a little bit. See you guys tomorrow.